Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Paying at the pumps for consumers, as they will have to pay more to fill up as of tomorrow. The price of a litre of gasoline will go up by $1.49. The increase brings the fuel to the highest price it has been in almost 4 years. The price of regular diesel increases by 92 cents, while low sulfur diesel goes up by $1.04. Kerosene is to cost 60 cents more. Propane is up 60 cents as well, while butane goes up $1.40. Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley says PDVSA Caribe is yet to accept the Jamaican government's proposal to buy back its 49% stake in Petrojam. $35 billion has been set aside in the budget to do so. In March, the Venezuelans promised to send a technical team to Jamaica to continue discussions, but they are yet to arrive. Dr. Wheatley told the House of Representatives yesterday that the matter is of great concern to the government.
Our last communication was on April 16th, 2018, by way of an electronic mail from PDV Caribe, inquiring, Mr. Speaker, on the taxation implications for PDV Caribe should they accept our offer.
And the price of oil bounced back to settle slightly higher today. Oil for delivery in June rose 35 cents to settle at $68.05 a barrel. Now, currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $125.72. The Canadian dollar costs $97.54. The pound sterling is going for $174.67, while the euro is going for $154.27. The JSE index dipped today, closing down 965 points, while the junior market index gained 20. Stocks ending higher included Berita Investments, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial, Mayberry Investments, Salada Foods, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end, we had AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Knutsford Express, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Scotia Group, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.